In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to change your age on Instagram. This is crucial because it affects the content and features you can access. Instagram uses age information to ensure compliance with legal regulations, such as the Children's Online Privacy Protection Act, and to restrict certain content, ads and interactions based on age. To do this, simply head to your Instagram. On your profile page, tap onto these three lines to access settings. You will want to head to Accounts Center. On this page, select onto this option of Personal Details. Head to Date of Birth. Onto your birth date, tap on Edit. Now change your date of birth, and once done, tap on Save to successfully save changes. Make sure to provide correct information, as misrepresenting your age could lead to access issues or violations of the platforms. That's how easy it is to edit your birth date on Instagram. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.